Right, hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you're finding me for the first time, hit that subscribe button and let's get straight into it. So this video is going to be different to what I usually do. As you can see by the title, I'll be giving you the reason why I invested in Electronic Arts. So Electronic Arts Inc., also known as EA, is an American video game company. They are based in California. Electronic Arts operates in the gaming industry. It is the second largest gaming company in America and Europe, also by revenue and market capitalization, after Activision Blizzard and ahead of Take-Two Interactive. So those two companies I just mentioned are Electronic Arts' main competitors. Founded and incorporated on May 27, 1982 by Apple employee Trip Hawkins, Electronic Arts was a pioneer of the early computer game industries. EA was one of the first companies to explore the idea of home computer games, and since then it has been responsible for the legendary games such as the FIFA series, Madden NFL series, Need for Speed series, Battlefield series and the Sim series. So that's my quick introduction on Electronic Arts. So now I will tell you why I invested in Electronic Arts. So the reason why I invested in EA is because it has been an established company for a while now, coming on to 40 years. As the gaming industry goes, I only can see EA growing along with it as well. The gaming industry outperformed both movies and sports combined last year as the biggest moneymaker in entertainment. In fact, on a global scale, the gaming industry was valued at $162.32 billion in 2020. Based on that current growth rate, it's expected to reach a value of almost $300 billion over the next 5 years. So this is only going to be a big positive factor for Electronic Arts as a company, as the gaming industry is expected to inflate over the next 5 years. Based on that information alone, I find it hard to see EA stocks going down as the gaming industry is only going to get bigger. Over the next few months, we might see dips in the market, but those dips will provide us with opportunities to buy. So let's take a look at EA's financial performance over the last 5 years. So from 2016, Electronic Arts sale revenue has been increasing. Probably I'll say around between 7 to 10% each year, except for in 2019. As you can see here, they had a slight reduce in sales growth by 4.42%. So it's not really much of an alarm bells. As you can see, by the following year in 2020, the sales revenue grew again by 10.83%. So as looking at EA as a company, that already shows me positive signs that they are growing. Their sales growth is growing every year. So this tells me that they are a growing company. And yeah, that's it. So this is like, now is the time to actually to and invest in EA Sports, because I think it's a good stock to buy. They are a risk when the market's going to go down, but if we look at the last recent news about EA, it's been a lot of positive news. As you can see, since May, I've seen positive news about Electronic Arts. So we start on May the 3rd. Gamers spent billions more on video games during the pandemic and companies are looking for more. So that already tells me that companies want to take advantage of this and keep customers spending that money on games. So we take a look at May 18th. Electronic Arts Inc. stock rises, outperforms market. Another good positive factor. And look right here, this is their competitor. Take-Two beat earnings expectation, guidance fell short. So one of their main competitors, earnings fell short. EA's didn't. And on May the 19th, Electronic Arts Inc. stock outperforms competitors on strong trading day. So if you're gonna invest in EA, I'll say it's a good stock to invest in. We're gonna take a look at EA stocks right now. and look at it on a daily time frame. So I bought right here at where you see this blue line. This is where I bought at $130, and I'm already up by a few percent, like 3-4%, which actually 6%. So it's not bad. And as you can see, if it comes back down to where I bought, I think I'm only going to buy again. So we look at it on a weekly time frame. So what I'm looking for with EA stocks is for it to break this resistant level right here. If we can get price to come up to this resistant level right here, it would be pretty much good. So I think I'm gonna invest in again. If it comes, or we'll see. I'll see in the next few days. If price does come back down to this level here, I think I'm gonna invest again, and then I'm gonna hold my position to this resistant level and take some profit. And my first position, I'm just gonna leave for a few months. So yeah, so that's pretty much it on EA Sports. And yeah, I hope you found that information useful. If you made it to the video to the end, give this video a thumbs up if it's helped you in any way. Don't forget, you can also message me on Instagram if you've got any questions. You want to know what brokers I'm using for when I'm buying stocks. Just message me. And if you want to see more videos like this, just leave this video a comment and give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time, people.